Yeah, folks, here's the Jarma here. I'm just heading up the Blue Lough. Hopefully, it's a bit on the windy side of the region here, but I'm gonna have a wee camp up the Blue Lough if I can get up there to see where I can get in anyway. But I'll bring this. Let's see pinion there. There's a big black cloud over top of it. I'll give you a wee look around me. Sorry about the wind noise, but I'll give you a wee look around me. And down to the RC, where they say the Mourne from down to the sea, there you go. It's a windy night, but actually, you know me, I'll have a go at it. You always have it up behind you. Sometimes that's just easier. But yeah, I'm sorry about the wind. But it is windy. There's Lough again. That's where I'm going to camp tonight, so anyway. Go and have a look, see what have a look about, see what I can get. I get somewhere out of the wind. As you see the waves going over the side there. Right folks, that's the tent up. I just need to tighten here and there, but that'll leave me the night. As you see there's Blue Lough, there's Binion, there's Blue Lough there, and this is Lough again here. It's not a great one to go up. If you want to have a hard mountain, people say it's the hardest one in the Mourne to go up. But I can get it tight, especially from this side. And that'll be my view there in the morning, and hopefully a sunrise over there. Bring it back. As you can hear, I haven't got water yet. It's raining. Hopefully it'll not rain too long. We'll go down and get it. Up here, camera. Come dry anyway, remember now. So water there, and it's been already been filtered. So just boil it and have a wee cup of coffee. If you don't have a spoon, if you do have a spoon, let's put a wee drop in first. Stir it. What about that for immersion there? As you can still hear the wind. A wee biscuit to go along with. Bring his back soon. It's calmed down a bit now. It's the wind's, you can still hear it there, like, but it's not as bad. The tent, I don't know what shape I put it up, but the ground's not level, so I just have to walk it away again. As long as it keeps the wind and the rain on me, I'll be happy enough. But I'm up here, I'm up at the Blue Lough tonight. It's as I say, it's the first time I've ever camped here. But there's some nice views. There's Binion up there, big Binion. It's just behind me, you're sitting there, it's Lough again. But it's nice here. Nice and peaceful. Last time I was up here, it was just up a bit where I camped. And it was the darkest sky I've ever seen. It was you could see nothing. It was just real dark. Which I could hear the odd fox as well that night. And getting back to that, the video you'll see before this one, if you watch the two of them, we get an appearance for a badger. Badger pulled the bag out from my tent, the rubbers, and I could hear the rustling and got out of the tent, and it was a badger sitting looking at me. And he wasn't afraid of me either. He just stood there. But I was going to say, I suppose that's what happens, but that's the first time it's happened to me. But I'll enjoy my coffee here and a wee bit of quiet time to myself. This I'm going to take the steak out first here. Then we're going for egg fried rice and chow mein sauce. It's going to be a stir fry sauce, but it'll be the same. And not forgetting, every time I'm cooking some meat, especially, you have to make it hot. There we go. That's all my flavouring I need. That's what it'll do when it comes together. I'll just cut the steak up into wee pieces and put it in as well. So I've made batter, but I'll be happy with, as I say. Cheers, you can still hear the wind. Well folks, just to show you the finished article, I'm going to get out of the pan, out of the frying pan. But beautiful, it's lovely. I'll enjoy this. see, man, that's me in the cat and all. I'll make it out again, see what the stars and moons like, but we're able to do that anyway. It brings back the mornings. Leaving it board, and hopefully have a good night. As you still see it, still on the windy side, but you see there's no tent up over the top of it. He's up in the wind, so we're better. You'll test your tent that night. But I'll do anyway, see you tonight. There. But that's me all packed away. I'll show you where it was. It was right here. It wasn't the best spot, like it's a bit lumpy and bumpy and a bit on the slope, but it done me alright. But no trace place, nothing left there. I haven't left anything. This is all my gear here, I'm lifting it, I ain't bringing it with me. But here's my last wee look around the mountains. Opinions started to clear again there, but it was cloud over there earlier on. And if he's looking a hard one to do, that's it there. Lough again. It's a bit of a slog, especially going up this side. But as you can see, I still can't see the sun, so it's probably over behind them clouds somewhere. I'll maybe get a look at it the way there. But there you go, there's Blue Lough. Cloud base on the way down. Well folks, just on my way back down the track here, heading back towards the Carrick Little. If you're going up the park, whatever, there's some car parks there that charge you and some don't, but I'm going overnight. I do prefer to park somewhere, I'm not worrying about the car there. But Carrick Little there for overnight, it's a favourite. But if you're going up for the day, it's £3 as well, so be sure for them ones. But I was going to say to you, I was in the car park yesterday and I was talking to this gentleman, David, Hiking for Health. He's got a channel there as well, and you want my knacker, but he's got a channel there as well, and he's want to shoot over, get me plug there, you want to shoot over and have a look at it. And he is a nice fella. But I just noticed there I've jumped up to 99 subscribers. I don't know how that happened or where that came from, but I appreciate it, of course I do. And I wonder who's going to be in the number 100. But thanks everybody that watches the videos and subscribes to me. So roll on the first 100 anyway. And thank you again. I don't know where my next one will be or when it'll be, but I usually try and get out once every fortnight, like so. This weekend I've been out twice. Hopefully get out again next week. So it is. Yeah, I don't work weekends, so that's how it opens up for me. It's for the weekends I don't do something. Although it's usually the weekend everything's busy. But that'll do anyway. I'll let this go, and I'll talk to you in the next one.